New pickup. All clean. Sub on. Stupid brackets on. Now I can start installing the belt. So because the belt was so bad, I want to take these two solenoids out. Not that bad, but it's worth checking. That's one. Nice. Belt in. So crank pull it in. Next, tensioner, idler, inlet sprocket, exhaust sprocket. The sprockets are keyed, so you can't mess it up. Tensioner tight, idler tight, 20 Newton meters both. The cams, 20 Newton meters, 120 degrees. Crank bolt, 50 Newton meters plus 180 degrees. Spin the engine, make sure the time is good, and put everything back together. All done. Test drive successful. Thanks for watching.